back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be decorating, well, I already started decorating the dining area and the kitchen, so I'm gonna bring it to completion today. If this is your first time seeing my face, welcome to my channel. At Home with Maria L. What I do on this channel is clean, decorate, and organize with me content, and just overall lifestyle content and vlogs. If you're into content like that, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and share. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the family. We are glad to have you join our VIP family. I love you. We are a very loving and inclusive family over here in this corner of YouTube, so you made the right choice, and all I do is create premium content. Yes. And to my day ones, my regular degulas, my VIP subbies who always return to watch my content, I truly appreciate you guys. I love you all. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, again, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. All right, so Merry Christmas. Early Merry Christmas to you guys. Yeah, I'm feeling the festive season already, so I started decorating. Like I said in the last video, I should have, and I wanted to start at the ending of October. I don't know why I didn't, because I just love the season so much, but I did start the beginning of November, so that's not too far apart. So yeah, last Christmas I wanted a Christmas house. I don't want a whole lot of Christmas houses, because I'm not really trying to build a village. Maybe in the future, I don't know, but definitely not for this Christmas. And it's going to be a small village. But they were all sold out, and I said I'm going to be on top of it this year, and I'm going to snag and grab early in the season. So I got this Christmas house, and I'm going to go ahead and put it right here on that Lazy Susie or Lazy Suzanne. Is that what it's called, Lazy Susan? Anyway, so I put this right here. I think it looks pretty good right there. And I have this little Christmas truck with a tree on it from before. And this little, another little Christmas house, but it's not as big. I wanted a bigger one. It's a tiny one. Tiny. So this could be a part of the village when I do, you know, or if I do a Christmas village, but we'll see. But yeah. So I like it right there. Yeah, those two containers in the back, it's okay if they're kind of hidden for the season. I do want to show the Christmas house, and to the side you can actually see those containers, so they're not totally hidden. So I do like that there. And I also got this piece that I'm going to add right there. So right here I think would be the perfect place for this for the season, because we can actually enjoy it from the dining area, the kitchen, as well as the living room. This is the entryway to the living room, so we're in the living room, lounging, just hanging out, we could see it. If we're in the dining room or the kitchen, we can see it, as opposed to just putting it right there. So for the lantern, what I did was I put a bow right here, and I put a pick above it, and I think it's just so cute and festive. I kept the candles that I had in there from before. I didn't change those out, so I just bought these bows, and that's what I use right here. So I did it on this lantern, and I'm going to go ahead and do it on this other lantern right now. So you just find a creative way to make the bow stick on the lantern. I didn't use tape right here. I did use tape on that board that I just showed you guys to hold up my Merry Christmas sign, and I just stick the bow on top of that tape. But for this, it has a string, so I just kind of use the string to hold the bow up on the lantern. Just put the pick stick through the hole in the lantern. If your lantern has a hole to hold the pick stick. And then I'll just close the door. All right, so I'm done with the kitchen and the dining room Christmas decor. And I'm gonna show you what I came up with for this year. I did make some small changes to the last video uploaded, which was a vlog of me decorating the kitchen and the dining area, but I did make some small changes. I'm going to show that to you as well. And yeah, so let me show you what I came up with. All right guys, this is what I came up with for the kitchen area. These 3 bears that says joy with all the sprinkles and snow on it, and Christmassy scarf, and Tams or Scullies. I think it's so cute. And then the Christmas house that I got this year, and this Christmas bus with all the snow on it, and the Christmas tree that is been taken home, and a little gift box, this little Christmas house, so cute. And then the centerpiece for the dining room, I meant for the kitchen counter. It could also be for the dining room, but I chose to use it for the kitchen counter. These 3 candles on top. It's still early in the season, so I've had this centerpiece for a while, so I don't quite remember where I got it from, to be honest with you. But these 3 candles, I did get them from Hobby Lobby, and I've been needing candles for this centerpiece for a while. I finally got it. And then of course my little Christmas pot holders, Christmas rag for the kitchen, I meant towel, and then this little Christmas bus that says home merry home. And that's pretty much what I have going on in the kitchen to add a dash of the festive season. And then right here the entryway to the living room, and from the living room to the kitchen and the dining area, I have this wreath that is just so adorable. Absolutely love it. Then I did make some changes to my nativity decor right here. I did have a tablescape behind it, which I thought was a little bit cluttered, and I just wasn't feeling it. I wasn't digging the vibe. So I changed it around, and this is what it's looking like. And then I did decorate the mailbox above to make it more festive, so I didn't change that. I have a crown right here, which is for the king. And then this tree, this Christmas tree, that I put acorns around and some pigs at the base, and I place it in this bowl. I did get this from Hobby Lobby. I noticed they have them this year as well. So you can get that from Hobby Lobby. The nativity set, I've had it for a while. I don't remember where I got it from. And the crown, I don't remember where I got this from. It probably was Walmart some Christmas ago. And so right next to this kitchen console, I have a lantern and a basket that I decorated. I didn't change that around at all because I think it's absolutely perfect. So festive, so warm, so cozy. And then I have this other console in the dining area. I have this pot with some pics that I did put in there. So these are Christmas pics. And then I have a crown right there to crown the king. I have 2 reindeers right here. So that's what I changed around. I did add these 2 reindeers. And I think it's perfect right here. Okay, and above it, I did put that bow and that Merry Christmas on the board. So that's what that's looking like. And I have this throw on the chair, the dining room chair. Then moving over here, I have some more Christmas pics in this vase that's on the ground. And then on top of my server, I have this bell. And this gnome. So I did change this around a bit. I had the gnome on the other side and I didn't have the bell here, but I did put the bell. And I already showed you guys the lanterns, the pick on top and the bow at the bottom to make it festive. I didn't really do much for the dining room table. I do have 2 crowns here, so I guess you could say the theme for the dining area and the living room, I meant the kitchen would be the crowns for crowning the king. Yeah, if you could say that. I don't think I have enough crowns to say it's a theme, but yeah. Alright guys, so I hope you did enjoy me decorating this space with you guys. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, comment, and share. And let me know what you guys think. What ideas could you inspire me with for my other areas, other rooms, the other space that I'm going to decorate, which is going to be the living room I know I'm going to decorate the hallway. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to decorate the entryway. And I know you guys are going to be like, yes, you have to decorate the entryway. I may. I may just do something pretty simple at the entryway. But the most of my festivity is in the area where we congregate, like the dining area, the kitchen, the living room, and of course the hallway, because we walk through the hallway every single day to get to where we need to get to throughout the house. So that was just my little thing as to how I'll decorate, so we can enjoy this festive season as well. I'm just loving these two reindeers. I pretty much like everything I did, so let me guys know what you think and what I could have done better, so I could maybe implement that, like I said, in the other areas that I'm gonna decorate. All right, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.